Hello. So this video is going to show you how to find the latitude at 1200 zone time. So first, let's go to our Bowditch 2024 edition, volume 2. You open up to page 274, and it gives you an example, actually, of how to find the latitude here. So using that example, we're going to follow it. 90 degrees minus our HO, which is 8228.7, where you're going to subtract these two and get the difference. 90 degrees minus 82 28.7, and you get 7 degrees 31 minutes 53 seconds. Okay, so now that we have that, that's our Z. So now we need to get our declination. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 1150 zone time and get our zone description, which is 71. So you take the longitude, divide it by 15, and that's your zone description. Now it's 4.7, so we're going to round up to 5. And because it's west, we're going to add plus west minus east. You're going to get 1650. Okay. So now for our GMT, it's 1650. What we're going to do is we're going to go into our nautical almanac. And on July 28th, look at the sun, and using our GHA and our GMT, we're going to go to 16. Now we're going to get our declination, which is north 1854.2. The 18's up here, it follows down to 54.2. So, deck. And then our D, so our D correction is going to be right here, 0.6. And then we're going to do our deck. So now that we have 0.6, we have to know whether to add or subtract it. Well, looking at the nautical almanac, I can see that it's going down the numbers. They're subtracting. So that means that we're going to subtract our D correction. So I'm going to write subtraction right there. If it was the other way around, if this was north 18 and that was north 19, then we would add. So now looking at our minutes, 50 minutes, we're going to go to the back of the almanac. $50 minutes for the sun. 0 seconds. And then we are going to go to 0.6, which is right here, which is 0.5. 0.5. Now you do 54.2 minus 0.5 equals 53.7. Okay. Now that we've done that, we're going to put our declination here, north 18, 53.7. Okay. Now we're going to add these two. So 18, 53.7 plus 7 degrees, 31, 53. we get 2625.0. Now we found our latitude, but we found our latitude at 1150 zone time. The question asked for 1200. So we're going to first find the difference between 1200 and 1150, which is 10 minutes. We are then going to do a 60 D street. So 60, our distance equals our speed, 17.5 knots, times time, which is 10 minutes. So 17.5 times 10 equals 175. Divide that by 60 equals 2.91. So that's how far we've gone in 10 minutes. Okay, so now that we have that, we are going to do a plane sailing. So now we're going to go to page 268 in our bowditch, and we're going to do the plane sailing, which is L equals our distance cosine course. So our distance is 291. L equals 291 cosine our course, which is 026, we get 2.61. Now, once you've got that, you divide that by 60, and then you convert that into degrees, and you get 0 degrees, 2 minutes, and 36 seconds. Okay, so now that I have that, knowing that we found the 1150 time and we have to increase it to 1200, I'm going to add to our 2625, I'm going to add 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Should equal 26, 27, and 36 seconds. Okay, our closest answer here is going to be B.